Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, we did kind of break up on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see. Definitely a nice engulfing move up. So we should potentially be looking for longs on shorter time frames, but if the monthly, the daily, and the weekly are all in uptrends, or downtrends, I'm sorry, downtrends, then we kind of need to assume that any move we see to the upside is potentially just a pullback to the last wave down, and that it potentially could make like a three-wave corrective move up to a fib level and just continue the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we kind of need to assume that this move up is very likely just a pullback to the downtrend. You definitely could be looking for longs on the 1 hour time frame and below, but if you get some sort of a three-way pattern up to a fib level and a reversal back down, you definitely want to continue to look for shorts. We have to presume that anything we see to the upside is nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend on the much higher time frames unless those very high time frames start giving us a breaker structure, which they definitely haven't done so yet. So you potentially could be looking for longs where you learn and earn, whether this is just a pullback to the downtrend or whether it goes up and gives you a breaker structure, forming a complete trend reversal. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.